New Zealand is a beautiful island country in the southwestern Pacific Ocean. Known for its stunning landscapes, rich indigenous Maori culture, and high quality of life. Here are some key facts about New Zealand, geography and climate. Made up of two main islands, the North Island and the South Island, along with numerous small islands. Features diverse landscapes, including mountains, beaches, forests, and lakes. The climate is mostly temperate, but varies by region, warmer in the north and cooler in the south. People and culture. Population, around 5 million people. The Maori people are the indigenous group, and their language and traditions are an important part of the country. English and Maori are the official languages. Known for a relaxed and friendly lifestyle, with a strong love for outdoor activities and sports, especially rugby. Economy and living. One of the world's most developed and stable economies. Key industries: agriculture, tourism, film production, technology, and renewable energy. Famous for products like kiwi fruit, dairy, wine, and lamb. Has a strong focus on environmental conservation and sustainability. Tourism and attractions. Home to famous places like Milford Sound, Mount Cook, Queenstown, Rotorua, and Hobbiton from the Lord of the Rings movies. Adventure activities include bungee jumping, skydiving, skiing, and hiking. Unique wildlife, including kiwis, the bird, dolphins, and penguins. Government and society. A parliamentary democracy led by a prime minister. Part of the Commonwealth of Nations. Has a strong focus on human rights, social welfare, and education. Now let's talk about why people leaving New Zealand and where they are moving. People are leaving New Zealand for several reasons, primarily related to the cost of living, job opportunities, and lifestyle factors. Here are some of the main reasons for emigration. 1. High cost of living. Expensive housing, property prices and rent in cities like Auckland and Wellington are among the highest in the world compared to income levels. Rising inflation, the cost of food, fuel, and other essentials has increased significantly. High taxes. While New Zealand has no capital gains tax, income tax and goods and services tax, GST, can be burdensome for some residents. 2. Better job opportunities overseas. Many New Zealanders move to Australia, where wages are often higher, and there are more job opportunities in fields like healthcare, engineering, and trades. Some professionals find that their careers have limited growth in New Zealand compared to larger economies like Australia, the UK, or the US. 3. Healthcare and public services challenges. The healthcare system is under strain, with long wait times for specialist treatments. Some people feel they can access better medical care abroad. 4. Family and lifestyle reasons. Some New Zealanders leave to be closer to family in Australia, the UK, or other countries. Others seek a change in climate or lifestyle, as New Zealand can feel isolated from the rest of the world. 5. Crime and social issues. While still a safe country, concerns over rising crime rates, particularly in Auckland, have led some people to leave. Social challenges, such as youth crime and economic inequality, have also contributed to dissatisfaction. 6. Government policies and political dissatisfaction. Some people disagree with government policies, such as strict COVID-19 measures, economic management, or immigration policies. Where are people moving? Australia is the most popular destination due to its higher wages, lower cost of living in some areas, and proximity. Some also move to the UK, US, or Canada for work, study, or family reasons. Despite these challenges, many still see New Zealand as a great place to live due to its clean environment, friendly people, and outdoor lifestyle. In the end, while New Zealand remains a beautiful and desirable country to live in, challenges such as the high cost of living, limited job opportunities, strained public services, and social issues are prompting some people to leave. Many seek better financial stability, career growth, or proximity to family, often relocating to Australia or other countries with stronger economies. However, New Zealand still offers a high quality of life, a clean environment, and a strong sense of community, making it an attractive home for many. Whether people stay or leave ultimately depends on their personal circumstances and priorities. Thank you for watching Travel with Sannan Bin Mansoor.